Welcome to the Cooter Show. Last night, tried to go out bow fishing and catfishing. Shot some gar on the bow. So figure I'd just show you my boat. This is my 10-foot flat bottom Jon Boat. There really is nothing special. It's a one person, one wonder. But I made this platform up here to accommodate, to get a light up there. Sits up pretty good. Sits about, yeah, you're up there pretty good. But I need some lights on the side. My wife picked these up last night. These are some $20 Walmart lights, so I'm gonna put those on. But that's the platform. This is the new upgrade. Bolted on, wires run down, hook up to that plug. I wanted to use this. I may still end up using this just to control the lights better. Made a little lip so shit won't fall off. I've put my can of dip or something up there. But this is it. But right now, I think I'm gonna hook up those lights on the side. Ain't got nothing else to do. Alright, so this is what I got going on with the lights. So right now I found a piece of square tubing that is the exact width of the light. So what I'm going to do is drill a hole, bolt it straight through, and what it's going to do is it's going to elevate the light up higher more. But right now what I'm going to do is I already got it cut to length. I'm going to drill my holes, and then I'm going to paint this, let it dry, and then bolt it on, run the wires. You know what? If this is your first time ever watching one of my videos, you know I try to do it the cheap way and the easy way. And I just looked over and saw this. I got this drill press about a year ago. Only thing I use it for is probably that light to hang shit on and to keep somebody who smokes cigarette butts. But I still always go back to my trusty drill and the vise. But I just looked over and thought of that. There it is. Now I gotta put some paint on her. I think if we put a little truck better on her. Not saying I'm sponsored, but if you kick me some money, I'll use this every time, every time. Probably not. I'll probably use Rust-Oleum or some other shit, but I like using this shit. Alright, here's the final. Put the lights on. Made that bracket, ran the bolts through, got the wire, ran back underneath. Both sides looking pretty damn spiffy. Then I got bored. Put this pole on. There's a bolt. There's a bolt that this screws into. I can clamp a PVC pipe up there. Now I can mount my GoPro so I can get overhead shots. So, my little boat. My one person thingy. It's mine. It's not yours, it's mine. It's the SS Cooter vessel. Alright, if you like this video, hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe. We'll see you.